Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Small House Studio channel. Today I will show you design idea 7 half by 4-meter wooden cabin. This design was inspired when I visited and rented a cabin in Indonesia and I recreated it. The wooden cabin features is one master bedroom and one bathroom, along with an outdoor kitchen for a barbecue. The wall is fully made from solid wood with IWF frame. Doors and windows are made of a combination of glass and aluminum frames, and the cabin surrounded with a tropical trees and make the atmosphere is very peaceful. You can use these design ideas to create a rainforest themed cabin, and you can rent it out for two people and provide the ingredients for the outdoor barbecue party. Enjoy the animation for a peaceful rainforest themed cabin to restore your soul. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Let's get started.